Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's get some music going. Music going. Alright, let's... There we go. Alright. Let's get this done so that I can enjoy the rest of the day. Alright, just so you know, I don't know how loud I'm being. Am I being that loud? I am practically yelling for this stupid ass mic to actually reach me. Oh god, if people can take sympathy for one thing. Actually I'm gonna turn this down just a little bit. Okay. No, it's alright. It's good. It's good, it's golden. If people could take sympathy though, a camera and a mic, and I might be producing better things. Or at least just drop by. If you see this, just drop by and be like, hey, how's it going? I see your videos, they're shit, but I appreciate what you're doing. Anyways. Yep. Let's get this out. Alright, let's just, yeah. Let's make this 5,000. 7,000. Should I do a pencil? This. Okay. Should I do this? Oh no. Oh no. I should check that. Hold on. what I was afraid of. I haven't charged my mouse in days. Don't have the charger for it. Oh god. Do. I have to do my homework in my notebook. But then you guys can't see what I'm doing, so I can't teach you. I was never much of a teacher. Still. Oh well. Can't do anything fancy, but we'll see what I can do. Alright, let's get on with it. Case. I won't do it now. Alright, let's just do this then. I suppose. I guess it is more for me than for you guys right now. And if you want to look at this, nah, I won't bother you. They're not the greatest. But that's fine. first one, let me see if I'm getting this right. You take, first you have to multiply the brackets out, so then you have 4 multiplied by x, which equals 4x, and then you got 4 multiplied by -3, which is -12. So that's on that side, so then you have 11 plus 4x minus 12. Now on the other side, you have to multiply out the brackets. 1 times anything is just itself, so then you have x minus 2. And then for the next one, you got -4 multiplied by 3, which is -12. And you have -4 multiplied by -x, which equals positive 4x. So then altogether, you then have 11 plus 4x minus 12 is equal to x minus 2 minus 12 plus 4x. That's what I have. And then you have to simplify. So just add everything on, add all the everything that's correct on both sides. So like add 4x. No, sorry. Add the positive 11 and -12, which is -1. And then add the x on the other side with the 4x, and the -2 with the -12. And then you should be left with 4x minus 1 is equal to 5x minus 14. And then we have to just split them onto, so that way we have x's on one side and whole numbers on the other. Or I guess non-variable numbers on the other. Which then leaves us with, on one side, 13. And then on the other, we got just x. So 13 is equal to x. Round your answer to 3 significant digits. So, like this. I'm not sure. This is what I'm going with. People sometimes can be a little screwy. Like, for instance, in the classroom, she wants us to go to 2 decimal places all the time, no matter what it is. Whereas with others, it's different. When they say this, they mean literally 3 significant digits. So, I don't know. If I have problems, then I can just send her this video. We got 8 hours. Alright. Next one. If you think this is a lot to do, like a lot for a single question, A, I'm going slow so that way I can make sure I'm doing this right, so that way I don't miss anything. I am a little tired, I guess. Also not feeling the greatest. So that's why I'm going slow right now. Also, I just don't want to get this wrong. I want to make sure I understand it properly. That's another reason. And another reason, yet another reason, is just that way I can say it out loud. So if there is people who end up watching this, or if my teacher's wondering what am I doing, because I need to send it to them, I'm gonna just explain the whole process as clearly as I possibly can. A, it helps me. B, it helps people who are watching, and C, it just, yeah. So anyways, we got 12y minus 5 minus y. Those brackets aren't needed because it's gonna happen in that order. Anyways, we got 1 multiplied by anything, so it's just 5y minus 1 minus 6y. Alright, ignoring the brackets because we can't really do anything in those brackets. We then take everything out. But there is something I should note. The 12y minus bracket 5 minus y bracket, or parentheses. Does that count as a -1? No, because there is no 1 right there. It's just minus. So therefore, it is just 12 minus 5 minus y, 12 minus y, 12y minus y is 11y, minus 5 is equal to, the other side, we got 5y minus 1 minus 6y, 5y minus 6y is just -1 minus y. And the same thing, we have to bring y's over to one side and then whole non-variable numbers onto the other. I shouldn't say whole, it's just non-variable numbers onto the other. So that way we separate out the one that we're trying to figure out. In this case, y, because there's only one variable. But let's say we want to figure out a different variable. Like, let's say we had a and b variables. We would bring a onto one side, everything else onto the other. We just want what we're looking for grouped together on one side. It doesn't matter what side, as long as you have everything in the correct order. Some people get confused about that. Providing that it's the same order that the question is asking in, then it'll be fine. It doesn't matter which side, you can swap sides all the time. It's just don't mess up the order. Anyways, so we got 11y minus 5 is equal to -1 minus y. I'm going to bring the y over, so that way it's plus y, which is 12y. And I'm going to bring that -5 over, so then that is equal to 4. Because -5, to bring it over, you have to add 5 to both sides. And 5 plus -1 is 4. Divide both sides by 12, and then we have y is equal to 1/3. My mental math is not the greatest right now. Hold on. Yeah, 1/3. So 1/3 to 3 significant digits, because it has to be a number. That is then equal to y is equal to 0.33. Yeah, 0.33. Okay. Question number 2. Solve the following linear equation. It's fractions. So we got x over 7 minus 3 is equal to x over 14, and then is minus by 7 over 6. Now, something you need to note about fractions when you're doing this sort of thing is that you have to add them together. If they're multiplied, that's different. You can bring them over to each side. But when they're added like this, it's better to start out by just simply combining the two. You don't have to. You can bring one to the other side, the other to the other side, but eventually you just have to bring them together, and it's going to be easier this way, I think. Actually, I'm not sure about this, so I'm going to use my good friend. Google. Let's go to Google. I don't even know what to ask Google. Maybe we won't use Google. Maybe we'll just simply charge ahead and just suffer the consequences. Okay, so let me see, we'll start with one side. We got x over 7 minus 3 over 1. We need to have the same common denominator. The common denominator in this case is 7. So then taking the 7, we then multiply the one side by 7, which means that we now have x minus 21 all over 7. So that's one side, that's the left side. The next side, the 1 over, that is x minus 14 minus 7 over 6. Alright, so common denominator in this case is I'll deal with that later. Oh. Okay. Okay, so we got 14 and then we got 6. What's the common denominator between the two? Let's see, 14, we have 14, 28. So 48 is the common denominator. So 48. That then means that we then have 14. To get to 48, you have to multiply it by 4, which means we have 4x multiplied by, or I guess minus, not multiplied. So we have 4x minus, and then to get 6 to 8 to 48, you need to multiply it by 8, which means 7 is in 56. Now the fun bit. So, multiply the bottom, 44, by the other side of x minus 21, and have 44 bracket x minus 21 bracket is equal to, and then take the 7 and multiply the other side. So then we have 7 bracket 4x minus 56 bracket. And then multiply the insides of the bracket. So then, we then have 44x minus, take out your calculator, 21 multiplied by 44 is equal to 924. You don't have to use your calculator. In fact, I recommend that you don't if you have time. Just relax and just go with the flow. If you need help or you're not sure, then pull up the calculator. Me, I'm on a deadline of 8 hours, so I'm not going to be messing around. Plus, I want to go do some stuff. Alright. 7 times 4 is 28x minus 56 multiplied by 7. That is 392. Now, again, take all the variables that you want to find out and bring them over to one side, and then have everything else on the other. So then, we now have 44x minus 28x is equal to positive 924 minus 392. Alright, so doing some mental math. And double checking with the calculator. Alright, so we have 16x is equal to 532. Now we need to just simplify this. So 532 divided by 16, that is 33, so we have x is equal to 33.25. 33.25. Only 3 decimal places, well I guess 3 significant digits, so that'd be 33 decimal 3. And that I'm taking it literal. If she means 3 decimal places, she should put to 3 decimal places. But she didn't. So let's do the next one. Solve the following equation for e. We need to bring e over to the other side. But first, we need to solve the one side. Oh, great. We don't need a calculator for this one. It's just order of operations and knowing what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, that's fine. That's totally fine. In fact, I'm gonna take a quick 2-minute break to do one thing.
Everything changes.
There you go. It's been 30 minutes. We got 3 questions down. I should be able to do this quicker, but can't complain right now. Alright, let's try and bang out the next question 3. 9 more questions. Alright, this will be easy. So we got A is equal to, I'm gonna make a new piece of paper actually. A is equal to B plus all of that mess, which is A minus C plus D minus C all over E plus F. Alright. So, we got... Alright. Put the B over 1. Or just multiply B by E plus F.
Life.
So then we have B bracket E plus F bracket plus A minus C plus D minus C all over E plus F is equal to A. So then we got that. So then what we need to do next is we need to multiply out and then bring everything else into one side. So we then have BE plus BF plus A minus C plus D minus C. Then we multiply the bottom, which is E plus F, to the other side. 0 multiplied by anything is 0, so therefore that just cancels out. And then we can bring everything to the other side. So then we have negative BF minus A. Oh, sorry. It's not 0, it's A. Scratch the last two steps. We multiply E plus F by A, which means that gives us AE plus AF. Alright. So then AE plus AF. Alright, minus BF plus A minus A plus C minus D plus C. Yeah, okay. Then that should leave us with BE on the other side. Bring AE over, so then we have BE minus AE. Take the E out, which then we have E bracket B minus A bracket equal, I'm going to simplify this a little bit, AF minus BF plus, no, minus A 2C plus 2C minus D. I'm going to take the F's out of the AF and the BF, so then we have F A minus B minus A plus 2C minus D all over B minus A. That's what the answer is. So E is equal to F bracket A minus B bracket. I really hate online questions for this part, because then you just can't tell, but whatever. Plus, no, minus A plus 2C minus D is all over b minus a. That is what I have. If I'm wrong, then something occurred here. Well, I just want to make sure I have all these. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's all good. Alright, so question 4. I'm 1. Solve the following equation for v. Okay. So f is equal to capital F v all over v minus little v. Take the v minus little v, put it over to the other side, which then gives us fv minus f little v equal to f big F v. Take the I don't know why. Oh, I do. Okay. Take FV hold on, I need to think about this. Don't trust me on this one, I don't know. I don't know about this one. No. I have no idea if this is right. I don't know. I could very easily mess up, or I could just not know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna say screw it. Alright, let's go with this. Solve for L. I need to review my the shit. I don't know. Right. Solved another one of these questions. You know, if you went over more of these questions in the classroom, then I wouldn't be so confused as of right now. And just a few order of operations. All I'm curious about. But no, you have to waste your time going over stupid fucking shitty ass. I don't know, maybe I should have done it sooner. Maybe I should not have a light outside of school. Maybe I should not try and live and just focus all my efforts on school. And just not have a soul and not get stressed and not have to take a little bit of a time off just to relax because all the teachers are stressing me out over bullshit stuff. I don't even know how to check my answers. Alright. Let's see. Given the stuff. Evaluate the following. Express your result in scientific notation in the form A times B times 10 to the B. A is between 1 and 10 to 3 significant digits, and B is an integer. Alright, so 1 over BF. Alright. 1 over B is... Holy shit. And F is... so much worse. I'm just gonna use my calculator. Alright. Brackets 935,029 multiplied by 0.1234514 equals second function inverse. Second function number 2, which then is equal to 763.918 blah 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 blah. It's not the right thing. Second function setup number 1. Let's go scientific. So I'll hit 1 again. I am using the Sharp Advanced DAL version EL-546X calculator. So if you want to rewind and get that, then go ahead. Okay. Alright, 7.639 to 3 significant digits. So that'd be 7.64 to the -1. Alright. E is 6.1 times C, which is 3,400, equal to all divided by B, which is 935,000, 029. Alright. Which then is equal to, I'm not even going to bother writing this down, 2.22 to the -2. Okay. So we got 0.123602 multiplied by E. E is 6.1 equals divided by bracket B, which is, oh god, 900,035 029 multiplied by C, which is 3,400 multiplied by that number. Bracket equals 6.88 to the -18. Oh my god, 6.88 to the -18. -18. God. Evaluate the following, assuming all numbers are approximate. State your answer according to rules of operation involving approximate numbers. Wait, what? Evaluate. I need a drink of water. Alright. Evaluate the following, assuming all numbers are approximate. State your answer according to the rules of operations involving approximate numbers. Just sig figs. Significant figures. Whatever. Alright. I'm just going to type into my calculator. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's only 4, so let's go only to 4. Fucking Christ. 3.2, 4 by 7 equals, and then I just have to type in the number, which is B being, oh, so 2 the 0. Okay. 8.9 exp to the negative 5 equals, bring that 2 is then equal to okay. I'm just gonna double check this one. Yeah, alright. 7.92, and then the next one is negative 9. And I'm just typing this into my calculator, so if I type it wrong, then I'm wrong, but I hope I'm not wrong. What question are we on? Question 9, we got 3 more. Which, so far, is just typing crap into our calculator. So, bracket negative 1.55 exp4 bracket to the 3 bracket negative 4 exp to the 2 bracket to the 3 as well. That gives us 2.383. No, just 2.38 to the 20. Yeah. Two negative numbers being combined together, yep. And then everything else is just multiplying on top of that, so yeah. In which case, the next number is then just 20. Could be wrong, or all of this. Yikes. There's no brackets, so the top one, I gotta get you on this. Because there's no brackets, the top one is 1.05 times 10 to the negative 7 minus 7.04 plus 10 times to the negative 5. So they will get you on that. Because there's no bracket. And if I'm wrong, fuck me. Negative 7.04. Negative. It is quite soothing actually to be doing this. It's just this a certain air of just relaxation. You're just sitting down, doing something that's a little monotonous, but throwing some good music, have something good to drink or something nice to eat while you do this, and just sit down and enjoy yourself. It's School makes it so much worse. You can actually enjoy doing math because you can find out all these amazing things. It's just that you throw school into the mix and it's no longer fun. You can't pick out what you want to figure out. If you mess up, there's now consequences. That adds a layer of stress onto you. You don't want to have that. And so then you try and focus on it. Just piles. It's an endless loop. It's another reason why I don't like school, especially how our school system here in Canada is run. School should be about learning. School shouldn't be about punishing people because they made a mistake. School shouldn't be about petty things like, did you accidentally spell someone's name wrong, or you're off by 0.001 decimal places even though you did everything right and you just typed it in at the very end. School shouldn't be about that. School should be learning about the subject, and not memorization either. A true understanding of what's going on, of why we do certain things certain ways, and how it could potentially change in the future. An understanding of basic what you're learning. Don't memorize stuff. If you memorize, the second the quiz comes and gone, you no longer have it in your head. If you have an understanding, then not only can you do the next assignment, not only can you do the next quiz and ace it. If you have an understanding, you can then add on to that. I think that that's where the school system fails, because the school system is entirely based off of memorization, not understanding. I've had, I don't know how many teachers in the past who have just flat out lied to me. So I don't like teachers. I am always wary and skeptical. And there is a barrier that teachers oftentimes just add on to it. For instance, my new electronics teacher, I haven't gotten the chance to fully learn her name yet. She's told us her name, but twice now. It's going to take a little more than that for me to know it, but I don't like her. She's strict, she's mean, and by mean, I mean anal about everything. She tries to play it off as a joke, but I know that I'm not gonna like the way she teaches. It's fine, all I have to do is just get through it. Problem is, it's gonna be a pain in the ass to get through this. And I might have her again. She's threatening to take off marks if we accidentally spell our name wrong or her name wrong, or if we don't have a cover page to the assignment. Any assignment, not just random assignments, any assignment. We need to have a color page, we need to have our work, and this, and this, and this. Science is too often classified as strict and stern. That you have to do it a certain way. And that's only the way. By teachers, by professors. The truth is, science is evolving, science is ever changing. Science takes the best way and it uses that way. There is no one way. There is multiple ways that lead to the same conclusion. But teachers just want to drill into your head that this is the way and this is the only way, and I hate that. Me and my new teachers are gonna butt heads. Unfortunately, I'd rather it not be it. Let's do this. We are on the final stretch. Last question. Alright. I'm just gonna do this on the paper. Alright, 8.04 kilograms is 8,040 grams. And is 804 sorry, 8,040,000. Because it is hold on, I just want to make sure I'm doing this right. Convert the following measurements into the units shown. Write the answers in space provided. Write the answer as a number without units. Okay. Yeah, because then it's... yeah. Alright. I hope that's what she wants. Whether or not I even did it right. Yeah, I did it right, because 8.04 kilograms is 1,000 grams, and 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. So then you multiply 8.04 by 1,000, then by another 1,000. Alright. Now it's the reverse. Now I have to divide by 1,000, and then divide by 1,000 again. So then that is equal to 0.00527. This one. I need to divide it. No. Yes, I need to divide it. So if you're going up, you divide. If you're going down, you multiply by 1,000. This is just to get the decimal place, though. So, megawatts. It is 06112. What the fuck is that? An H? Is that H or N? Because there's no H's. I'm gonna assume, okay, this is important. I am going to assume that that is an N. Okay. So, N is the -9. That is a big number. I guess they're both divided by. It's just one is not a decimal. Whatever. Okay, 9, 2, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Submit. I don't have any more. Nope. Alright. Let's see how many I got wrong. Ah, shit. Which one did I get wrong? What? Plus or minus 5%. Plus or minus 1. What? Those were the ones I thought I'd get right. Alright, okay, I want to kind of assume that I get wrong. Although, I'd like to know how. AM times M plus B minus... I just want to know how. That's right. Your response, correct. Is that the one? Oh, I'm missing one. I thought I typed that in. Oh no. But it's too... okay, correct response. Plus or minus... fuck. Correct response was 9.88. Did I do that wrong? Okay, I must have did the last one wrong then. Well, that was depressing. I knew I'd get these ones wrong. Or at least I thought I would, because I didn't know how to go about it. 1. How did we get 25.7? Correct response. How do you think it? Round your answers as 3 significant digits. Okay. But then, what did I do wrong? I don't understand what I did wrong. Clearly, I need to learn more. Okay, that's bullshit right here. The 3 significant digits. That's bullshit. I want to challenge that one. This one. Did I do that wrong? Well, I don't know what an H stands for. No, I don't want Henry. I want... Okay, here we go. Hecto is by 100, that's why. Oh, fuck God. We'd gone over all the other ones. Desi. Somewhat, yeah. 17 milli, micro, nano, pico, femto, atto. God, that's so small. Tera, peta, exa. Oh wow. Oh, I get it. Alright, I know what I did wrong with this one. This one I assumed it was an N, and it was actually an H. Because I, at the time, was playing Canada whether I should actually just go through with it. Because, whatever. Yeah, that's way wrong. This is bullshit. I challenge. Oh, wait. Wait, what? This one's negative, this one's positive. Why is mine negative and that one's positive? Because it's being divided by a negative number. Therefore the answer should be negative. Unless it's a fucking... Let me check. Because if it is, then that's bullshit. Okay. I'm gonna check. That doesn't make any sense. has to be negative if it's the other way, it's being divided by a negative. I don't know. Maybe I'll like, just accept this shitty ass score. She can't handle the fucking worksheet and just check it herself. How goddamn hard is it? Oh my fucking god. This is why I hate school. It's because otherwise I'd be like, oh yeah, I made a few mistakes, fuck it. But now it's like, well, I made a few mistakes, but then I'm curious, why did I make these mistakes? Now it's gonna affect me because, oh, fuck. This does not make sense, this one right here. According to rules of operations involving positive numbers. We didn't go over that in class. Gee, thanks, teacher. Do I want to spend another hour and a half on this, or do I just want to give up for the score of 47? 47%. That's a fail. No, I'm gonna do this. Fuck everything. Myself. I fucking hate myself right now. And I hate my teacher. I hate my school. I hate everything right now. Let's get this done and over with. Nice and quickly. Nice and easily. I'm so pissed off I can't even think straight. Hold on.
Everything changes.
Life.
was fine when you pulled me down. You said the stars would answer. You said our prayers were written down. I was fine when you pulled me in. We were forced to be human, and then the world came after, and I had never questioned it. And they said it was wrong. But we started it all.
Okay, for this one, I actually got negative 46.5 blah 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 blah, but I'm just rounding it to negative 47.7. Wait, not 0.7.0. Negative 47.0. Question. It literally just gave me the same question. Why didn't I remember it? I don't learn anything. Question. I don't know what to do. I have absolutely no idea what to do. Alright, let's see. A minus B. But I know I will because I don't know what the fucking thing. Oh my god. It's just order of operations. It should be simple. I've done this a million times. Why can't I do this? I know why. Because it's a fraction with another thing, and I didn't normally do that. I normally work with other things, or I bring the whole fraction over, or something. Not this. Split it off using the Mickey formula or whatnot, or something. Make the formulas only for one without addition or subtraction. You can't do it with blah blah blah, has to be multiplication. I am struggling with this one. I know what I need to practice. That is... Is it saying I got this one right last time? Or... Yeah, okay, because did I get this one wrong? This one apparently I got this one wrong. No. Checkpoint next to it. Yeah, okay, I got all these ones wrong. Oh, wait. Ones I got right, it just puts a check mark. And I don't have to worry about them. That's so nice. Aww. I don't know what to do with that one. That is so nice. What was question 3? I was so worried I did it wrong, but no, I did it right. Oh, thanks, bro. Thanks. Something. Thank my intelligence and my obsessive compulsive disorder to write down everything I do. Says I got it right. Shit. Says I got it right? Why did it... I forget what I put down there. I had this one right. Apparently. I thought I got this one wrong. But if it says I got it right, then I got it right. Don't check everything. Okay. So I got this one right? I thought I got it wrong. Whatever. These ones I know I got wrong. Okay. I don't know what to do. Alright, these ones I know I got. So let's ignore that. So I'm away to gain the same answer, so at least there's that. So f is equal to big F, big V divided by V minus little v. Okay. Solve the following equation for V. This one, let me think. What am I supposed to do? No, this looks like it's gonna be a problem. I wouldn't mind something to help. Just send me on the right path. I'm trying something, seeing if it works out. Better. I'm more happy with this one. I am a lot more happy with this one.
this love that you never started.
5:30. I should probably go make my dinner.
A broken heart
I
that
want to
was
get this done
already
first. I have more
shattered.
questions.
Holding on to what we have, you take us to the edge and back. Holding on to what we have, you take us to the edge and back.
4. Got 4 questions left. Alright, I'm happy with this answer. If I'm wrong, but at least I'm happy. I don't know. Let's just see. Alright. Well, at least I'm persevering. At least I am trying. I want to learn. I could have said, screw it, that's the mark I have. I don't want that. I want to understand. I'm curious, why did I make a mistake? But my butt is starting to hurt, and I am starting to get hungry. Should I have done this early on in the week? I don't know. It was new classes. I was getting used to everything. My teacher was stressing me out like crazy. I was getting pissed off. I just wanted to come home and just sit down and relax. Can someone fault me for that? Just wanted to relax after the first week. It's not like we're 15 weeks in and I still aren't doing anything. It's the first week. I was getting used to everything. I was getting all my classes. I was trying to figure out where the rink was, how I could go, and stress reliever, just go around, skate, shoot some pucks. Awesome. Also can be here, having fun, meeting new people, going around, trying out different things. It's the first week. It's a hectic week. Should I have done this early on in the week? I don't know if I had time. Simple as that. I mean, when I got it, it was... What day was it? It was Wednesday. No. I got this on Tuesday. Maybe I could have done it Wednesday. I could have gotten it done on Wednesday, possibly. Phone's almost dead. I just... Lab partner texted me and says, I was just saying, hey, we got a lab tomorrow, don't forget. Which I'm glad he reminded me, because otherwise I would have forgotten, because I don't have my booklet all organized yet. Alright, let me see. The same point as last time. Okay. Either I'm doing it wrong, or this is just I made a mistake later on. So. Is it different than the last one I have? If yes, then let's go with it. I think it's a different question than last time. Might be. Alright. Looks different. It's not the same format, so... If someone has pointers, send me a hit. Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me why I messed up. And if you're my teacher looking at this, just simply take a rule and slap my wrist anytime I make another mistake in class. Because goddamn, I don't want to do this again. good. This one's not. Oh man, I know what I messed up on this time. This time I'm not gonna make the mistake. I might be making a different mistake. I hope I don't. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That one's good. That one's good. This one's not. Oh, right. Because last time it was a negative, and I don't know why it was a negative. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, I'm gonna type out exactly as it is into my calculator. You hear that? You hear that, Miss Cornelia? If I send this to you, it is exactly how I put it into my calculator. 2.53 EXP -7 minus, alright? 7.58 EXP -5. Alright, so that's the top. Gonna hit equal. Then I'm gonna hit divide. -2.36 EXP 9. Equals. Maybe I just hit like a wrong number while I was typing it in. I don't know. Okay. I'm typing into the wrong place. Oh, I don't need that right now. I gonna get 100% this time? I don't know. I still got to be wrong. Oh, what did I get wrong? I got the first question wrong this time. Half of that. What did I do wrong? That one I got. Huh? Did I mess up a negative somewhere? Shit. I did. Fuck. Okay, no, that's not fair. That is right. That is right. That times b divided by... Oh no! Wait a second. Such a small thing. Such a small thing. Oh wow. I got the rest right. I see my mistake. It's this right here. That negative right there. Where did he even put that? That would be the one with the X. Here we go. Because I knew I was having problems halfway through it. Right. But yeah, okay, so I got 88x minus 2,640 is equal to 40x minus 385. Now if I bring the 40x over, 40x over, then it becomes a negative 40x, so then it is 48x on the one side, 48x minus 2,640 is equal to negative 385. I'm trying to figure out where I made the mistake. Because I don't know if the site's wrong. I'm going to assume I'm the wrong one wrong. And just try and figure out where I made a mistake. Because here, I don't know where I made the mistake. It's half of that. It's half of that. Did I get that one right before as well? Yeah, it was the other way around, which is why I got that one right and then the other one wrong, and then because I made some, I don't even know where, negative. Did they get the negative? I'd have to redo all these. I'm not going to. I got a 80%. I'll take that. Alright, I'm signing off. I am done. Thank you for watching, and Cornelia, if you see this, help me, please.